Hi, my name is Sasha-Lee, and I would like to share with you my experience with David Saperstein and Salomon. When I first got in touch with my lawyer and actually met up with him, he gave me his personal number. You don't find that a lot when you're dealing with professionals, and it just became very personable for me that I'm able to reach this person whenever outside of office hours. If it's at 7 o'clock in the morning or it's at 9 o'clock at night, I'm able to get in touch with this person. I always had an email, I always had an extension. If I left a voicemail, I always got my call returned, my emails responded to, which was very important to me. It takes time to settle anything, especially when you're having to piece together everything, have these doctor's visits. Understanding where my ailments were, making sure that I am getting the treatment that I needed. I am seeing the top of the top doctors every step of the way. I knew exactly what was going on. There was not ever a moment where I'm like, I feel like I'm in the dark. You guys really take each case, and I'm just using mine as example, and what I heard from the person that referred me, it's really, you guys treat us like family and we are your priority. So just thank you, because you don't get that everywhere.